Mangoes are a nutritious tropical fruit that are low in calories, a good source of vitamin A and fiber, and an excellent source of vitamin C. Nutrition facts for mangoes. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, 1 cup of chopped mango contains 99 calories, 1 gram protein, 6 gram fat, 25 gram carb, 3 gram fiber, 23 gram sugars, 89 microgram vitamin A, 7 microgram vitamin K, 60 mg vitamin C, 277 mg potassium. Bolstered immunity. Mangoes are high in immune-boosting vitamin C. Protection from free radical damage. Free radicals are compounds that are associated with many chronic diseases and aging in general. High levels of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and vitamin C, in mangoes help safeguard cells from free radical damage. Improved digestive health. 1 cup of mango contains around 3 grams of fiber, which is roughly 10% of what you need in a day. Right-up arrow. Dietary fiber has long been recognized as crucial to digestive health. Mangoes specifically were found to significantly improve constipation. Consumption of mangoes may increase the healthy fatty acids and gastric secretions that aid digestion. 4. Cancer prevention. Research has found that carotenoid-containing fruits and vegetables, which include mangoes, may help reduce the risk of colon cancer. Nutrition research found that dietary mango decreased tumor size and suppressed cancer growth factors. 5. Better sleep. Mango contains vitamin B6, which is responsible for producing serotonin, a chemical that helps with sleep and regulates our mood. Sharper vision. Mangoes contain the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin as well as vitamin A, all of which help protect our eyes and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Smoother skin. Postmenopausal women who ate a half cup of Atalfo mangoes, sometimes called champagne mangoes, 4 times a week saw a 23% decline in deep wrinkles after 2 months. Improved cardiovascular and gut health. Eating 2 cups of mangoes a day benefited systolic blood pressure among healthy postmenopausal women.